In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your WooCommerce product page in just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to add a personal touch or optimize your product display for better customer engagement, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, you'll need to access the site editor. This is your starting point for all customizations. Entering the site editor is crucial because it offers you the tools and settings needed to modify various elements of your WooCommerce store. Once you're in, take a look at the left sidebar. You'll notice a section labeled Templates. Go ahead and click on it. This action will reveal a variety of templates that can be used to personalize different pages within your store. Looking through the list of templates now, you'll want to select Single Product. This template is specifically used for displaying individual product details, which is what we'll be customizing today. Choosing the right template ensures that the changes you make are applied to the right part of your site. After you've selected it, you might feel like a kid in a candy store because of the customization options at your fingertips. We now move to the next step, customizing the product page layout. Here, you have the freedom to adjust the appearance and functionality of the product page. Considerations might include how images are displayed or the order of product information. This is where you can really put your creative stamp on your WooCommerce store. As you fashion your product page, you might want to add or rearrange blocks. Each block represents a different section of content on your page, such as product descriptions, pricing, and reviews. Drag and drop these blocks to organize them in a way that best serves your customers, creating a seamless user experience. Once you're content with the changes, it's time to click on the Preview button. This allows you to see how your customizations will appear to customers before making them live. It's like trying on a new outfit before buying it. If something doesn't look quite right, this is your chance to re-enter the editor and fine-tune your layout. Finally, after ensuring everything looks perfect and functions correctly, you're ready to save your work. Clicking Save will apply all your changes to the live site. Rest assured, your page will now present exactly as you intended, enhancing your customers' shopping experience and possibly boosting your sales. And there you have it. A quick yet comprehensive way to customize your WooCommerce product page. In just a few steps, you've learned how to make impactful changes that reflect your brand's unique identity. Happy customizing, and thanks for watching.